Here we go. Let's try this again. So, Billy here had to come and rescue me with his Chevy Silverado 2500 4x4. Hi, Billy. Hey. I got the keys now. And we got straighten the wheels when it starts moving. And I'm pretty stuck in my own backyard here. I was trying to get a fifth wheel hitch from that storage container, and it wasn't in there. It's in the back garage. Go figure. I'm still not in it, Billy. Gotta start it. Put it in neutral. 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 And neutral. Alright. It's a heavy duty F350 getting pulled out by one-eyed Billy right up there. I gotta straighten my wheel if he's this way. Put my wheel that way. Alright, I'm just gonna put the video down. Turn it this way. Uh-oh. I'm stuck pretty damn good. I didn't get just a little stuck. There's a reason why I had to call for backup. Come on. Oh, baby. That didn't work. Oh. The strap broke. Let's try again.
It actually went under there a little bit.
So, I'm recording again. We took that ramp, and we're not attached to anything. Oh.
One wheel spinning?
Yeah, it's spinning, yeah.
Let's grab it again.
So, yeah, this is toe strap broke earlier, and we're using a 3-ton jack to try to lift a 7,500-pound truck. But if anybody could do this, Billy can, because I really got myself stuck. Bad. The hillbilly way. Alright, now I got to video what we did here. Am I videoing?
Out of the back, we're there in the swamp.
Yeah, I'm videoing. Okay.
We buried a Ford.
We buried a Ford today, and I had to call Billy, and he was here in 10 minutes.
Had to dig it out with a shovel.
He had to dig it out with a shovel, and we had to. No damage to the Chevy that got me unstuck here. Chevy got me unstuck. Ford got a little bit muddy, but there's nothing wrong with a little bit of mud. I was stuck so bad that you can see all the way back there. See that? Can you see? All the way back there. I was stuck really good. Take a picture of what it looked like later. But it was bad. And I couldn't have done it without the help of Billy Price, my savior. Always there when you need him.
Now, would you like help loading the fifth wheel?
Yes, please. Do you think I can make it to the backyard?
I don't know.
I don't know either. I think you can make it to the backyard.
Yeah, let's do that.
We'll use your truck. All right.
Back straight down the driveway?
Yeah.